In this module, we are going to look at which type of data is important to collect for drinking water and wastewater networks. For effective asset management, it is essential to have an accurate and realistic picture of your assets. Thereby, it is necessary to have as much field data about assets as possible. Which type of network data should be collected? We will first look at data inherent to pipes, then data on pipe installation, and lastly, environmental data. Let us start with the essential data, i.e. data that is inherent to pipes. The network's layout, i.e. the need to record a sufficient number of GPS coordinates to be able to accurately plot a network in a GIS. The types of the materials that a pipe is made from, i.e. in the case of drinking water and wastewater networks, pipes can be made from polyethylene, cast iron, polyvinyl chloride, steel, or concrete. Pipe length, diameter, thickness, the pressure range that a pipe can tolerate, and the brand. Now let us move on to pipe installation. To have a complete picture of the network, the information previously cited is necessary but insufficient. It is therefore important to further the information that is recorded and to collect data such as depth, type of seal, the actual pressure that travels through the pipe, particularly in the case of drinking water networks, the number of connections, and the invert level of the pipe. Furthermore, it is also important to record the information on a pipe's condition, i.e. on its state of deterioration. Lastly, it is important to record information about the environment in the pipe's immediate vicinity. The following can be found amongst the information required. The type of soil surrounding the pipe, i.e. whether the soil is dry or wet, soft or hard, aggressive or not aggressive, etc. The aggressiveness of the water circulating in the pipes. In the case of wastewater, the presence of H2S is regularly observed, which is a highly corrosive gas for pipes, for example. Its precise location, i.e. whether a pipe is under a road, a field, or pavement. For a pipe that is under a road, information on whether the level of traffic is low, medium, or high is required. Exposure to poor weather conditions. How the pipe was laid down, i.e. was it laid flat against the soil, on a bed of sand, or other material brought to the site. Finally, it is important to take photos because these are reliable sources of information. All of this information gives a comprehensive picture of drinking water and wastewater networks, provided that it is properly indexed and accessible. For this to be the case, it is essential to enter the data into a GIS. Let us now summarize what we have seen together. Collecting field data is essential in order to effectively manage assets. In order for information to be comprehensive, it must include three different types of data. Data inherent to pipes, data concerning how a pipe has been installed, data concerning a pipe's environment. Lastly, it is important to record all data in a GIS.